Remember a couple of weeks ago I posted a short video and a couple of pictures of this boat. We had a little list of things to go through. Did service on both of these 300Rs, as well as some dash work. Dash was coming apart, so we had to take it off and refabricate. Let me see if I can see it if I climb. Probably not, but anyway, there she is, completed, ready to go home. I'm gonna hook it up to the truck here in a second and deliver it to the happy customer. Thanks for the support. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See ya.
Corse.